Hi, my name is Joey Woolup, and this is a review of my final project called Space Repetition, implementing the Leitner system. And I figured I would start off with just explaining what the Leitner system is. So the Leitner system comprises of several boxes of flashcards that the user creates. After a user sees a card for the first time, it's added to the first box. Then each time a user views a card, if they remembered it, it moves on to the next box. But if they didn't remember it, then it's moved to the previous box. Each box is reviewed after a certain time period, and each box follows a first in, first out FIFO queue. This allows the user to spend more time working on information they had forgotten. So I implemented it a little bit differently. Instead of waiting till the first time a user sees a card, when a card is created, it's immediately added to box 0, and the user can actually change the order of the boxes and not the boxes, but the decks and the flashcards, so they see it in the order they want to. Anyways, so when a user comes in the app, they probably want to first create a deck. So let's do that. So do create deck, and I'll call it final project, and save it. Then we'll click on it and add a flashcard called card 1 and card 2. Sorry. So the front of it will be card 1 front, and just call it back, save. Another card 2, card 2 front, and back. All right, so we save that. I'm gonna go ahead and take you back to the home screen and just show you that, if you click on either deck, you see the cards from it. But then if you click on all, you're going to see the cards from React Native first. So let's do manage. And so if a user wants to reorder which order they see the decks, and they can come here and click edit, and then just drag up the, order it how they want to, click save, go back. So now you can see the final project's the first card, or the first deck, and also when you click all, the first card is from the deck I just created. And also you can see that that's card 1. So if we go back to the final project and then click edit and then drag up card 2, save, go back, click all, card 2 is now first. So that's a nice little overview of just creating cards. Also you can, if a user wants to edit cards, they can. So come here and you can see that you can change it to just card, or just card 2. If they want, they can also deactivate a card. If they do that, then it goes under inactive, and it now shows you like a subheader of active. And then if we edit it again, say reactivate, then it's back under active. All right, so and then all right, so let's go ahead and take you just through how using a cards would work. So we'll just go ahead and use the ones from the one I just made first. So when you tap a card, you see the back. You can also tap flip. And then when you swipe right, then you're marking it correct. When you swipe left, you're marking it incorrect, or you can just click incorrect. And then once you do that, it'll tell you that, the next group will be ready whenever the next card is ready to use, or ready to view. And then same thing, if you do all, then right, sorry, I marked that one incorrect, so that's why it's showing up again. So just go and mark that, and then that goes away. Then go back to all, and then you can just go through all the cards, and then at the end it's gonna do the same message. Right, so now if you come to any of them, then it's gonna give you the same message, like come back in an hour. All right, and then really that's all there is to it. Currently the boxes are set up. like there's no recommendation for Leitner system that I could find. It looks like some of the other space race petitions. There is like recommended dates, so I just kind of came up with some like after an hour it goes to a day, then 2 days, 3 days, a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and it just moves on up to like a month, and then every 3 months. And those were just dates that I kind of came up with just thinking through the problem. And I figure that if I got users and release the app out, then I would probably make it customizable, like per deck or just overall. Anyways, so the only other feature left is just being able to log in. We can just register first. So just make up a fake email, like test@spaced.com, and enter a password. Save it. All right, so registered, and then you can also log in. So test@spaced.com, and save it, and you're logged in. All right. So that's all all there is to the project, really. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.